Hey guys, what is going on? So welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Nika for those of y'all who are new here, and we are back with another video. You guys can probably tell from the title of the video that we have another handbag unboxing from Babala bags. I think this is like my third or fourth handbag that I've gotten from them, and I am super impressed with the quality of their items. The shipping time is really good. The customer service is awesome with them. So like I really have been enjoying receiving items from them. So if you are yourself interested in checking out Babala bags, finding out more information about them, I will have everything listed in the description box down below. So if you desire to check them out, I know that also some things were kind of up in the air due to the tariffs and shipping, like here in the US, but they seem to kind of have figured out the shipping thing to ensure that we will get our products. But again, if you have any questions or concerns about that, definitely feel free to reach out to them as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. So here is the box that I received the item in. You guys probably already know from the title of the video what is in this box as well, but I always show you guys the box and how everything comes shipped. This time the box did get a little dented up during shipping, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So once you open up the box, you have some tissue paper in there. You get the ribbon, you get a little card, then you get the envelope where you can put the receipt in there. So it just has like a little, just a little blank receipt inside. And then you get a little care booklet as well. And then underneath all of that, you have the handbag itself. And then underneath that, you have the dust bag. And then here is a look at the dust bag. Dust bag looks pretty good. Nice soft cotton material. I believe the bag will fit in here because this is a pretty big size dust bag. So here is the main attraction, which is the handbag. Let's go ahead and unwrap her. And here is the bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Carryall MM. And y'all, this bag, oh my goodness, it is so nice. I've gotten a couple LV bags from them before, and I am always super impressed with their LV bags. The glazing on this looks so good. Looks so good, y'all. And then they have the hardware protected right here. And then let me take the stuffing out. And then here is a look at the inside of the bag. It has this beautiful like burgundy Bordeaux color. It's like a microfiber material. The color of the interior is correct. Everything just looks really good. It's one continuous piece. You can see, so it's the bottom, and then when you turn it around to the back, it is upside down. So it's just one continuous piece of canvas, which is correct as well. And then it just folds in on the side. Here is a look at the stamping and everything. Everything looks really good. So one side of it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then on the other side you have the Made in France. And then here's a look at the luggage tag. Looks really good, and this looks like it is the appropriate size as well. And then here is the adjustable strap, so you can make this a crossbody. If you don't know, you can make it a crossbody or shoulder bag. So you can just adjust this to the length that you wanted. Also, if you're not aware, the Louis Vuitton Carryall, the leather on here, the vachetta leather on here is treated. So if you do get caught in like the rain or something, you do not have to worry about getting water spots on this leather because it is treated, which I really love that, because you know sometimes we tend not to wear some of our Louis Vuitton bags if we know it's going to rain, because the vachetta will get completely ruined. But with this Carryall, you do not have to worry about that. And then it also comes with the pouch as well. So here is the little matching pouch, so stinking cute. And all the hardware has like this little protectant on it. And this is the inside of the pouch. This is the strap that comes with the pouch as well. Y'all, this is so nice. I mean, it does, I don't know, it always reminds me of a shoe store. Like every time I get these bags, it reminds me of like brand new shoes. So it doesn't stink. I think some people don't like the smell, but like it just smells like, it smells like brand new shoes. Like if you've ever been in the shoe store, in the Nike store, anything like that, this is what it smells like, new shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little protectant off of the hardware and add the strap to it so we can take a look at it all put together. I'm just gonna buckle this up real quick so you just loop it through, and to stop this from flapping around, you can go ahead and loop it through the side as well. I would probably most likely wear this as a shoulder bag. I don't see me really wearing it crossbody because it is kind of big. Maybe if this was like the PM size, I would probably wear it crossbody, but this size would most likely be a shoulder bag for me. It has 9 holes on it, and I have it on the very, very top one, the 9th one at the top. And yeah, so you can adjust it no matter how tall or short you are. So the bag is in general just like a big open space, but it does have a little snap closure, and this button snap closure did come with some protectant over it. So all of the hardware is pretty much protected when it is shipped to you, and then you just have this really nice tie on there. I have to figure out how I want to tie it, but yeah, you could just tie it up in a bow or tie it how you want to, and that looks so cute. Well, my bow is not looking so cute right now, but you get the gist. And again, y'all, this is just I just cannot get over it. Oh, it also has feet at the bottom. It has 4 feet at the bottom, and this is a slouchy bag, so there is not any structure or anything at the bottom of this, but you could use an organizer if you wanted to. So then it has the zipper pocket in the back. It extends almost the full length of the bag, but you do have like a little space on the side, and there's also 2 slip pockets. So there's a slip pocket here and then a slip pocket right here where you can put your cell phone or something that you want to reach quickly. And then it also features a D-ring as well. The stitching is really good. Also on the strap, it has Louis Vuitton Paris stamp. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has that stamped right there. I'm just looking at it, and like the edge coating looks so good. The stitching looks good. The leather pieces look good. This looks so good. It's so well made. Let me take the protective covering off of the little pouch that comes with it. Ooh, oh, it's on there. It's on there good. So yeah, and then on the hardware, it also has Louis Vuitton Paris as well, which looks good. So inside of the pouch, you will find the little leather plate, I guess, the little leather piece that has Louis Vuitton Paris on there. And even this little strap right here is just well made. Again, it is thicker than what you would usually see from the strap, so you're gonna have to like fold it to put that in there. But yeah, I just love when they come with the little pochette. So if you didn't want to just have this floating around the bag, you could attach this to the D-ring, or you could attach your keys, whichever, and just have that attached, and then you are ready to go. I believe this will fit a laptop inside of it, probably like a 13-inch. I do have my laptop. Let me grab it so we can see if it fits real quick. So here is my MacBook Air that is 13 inches, and it does fit in here very easily. There it is, fitting in there with some space to spare. Let's see if I can show you guys. Can you see like all of that space that I have to spare? So you can fit a 15, a 17 probably will also fit. So once again, Babala Bags has really impressed me with the quality of their bags. Like this bag is just so gorgeous, so nice, very, very lightweight. So you can use this as an everyday bag, a work bag. And I love the fact that the vachetta leather is treated so that you can wear it in all weather. So it's very much more weather resistant than your normal typical Louis Vuitton vachetta, which I love. So again, if you are interested in checking out Babala bags, I will have all the information listed in the description box down below. If you would like to check them out, if you desire to, and if you also want to check them out, I will also have a discount code listed in the description box if you want to use it, if you choose to get anything from them or try them out. Well guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like, a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you are enjoying this type of content, definitely consider subscribing. Well guys, until the next one. Bye.